Stupidity is rising, barometer's getting low. According to all sources, the street's the place to go. 'Cause tonight, for the first time, just about 10:30, for the first time in history, it's gonna start raining men. It's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men. Amen. I'm gonna know how to run and let myself get absolutely soaking wet. It's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men. Every specimen, tall, long, dark and lean, rough and tough and strong and mean. God bless Mother Nature, she's a single woman too. She took off to heaven and she did what she had to do. She taught every angel and rearranged the sky so that each and every woman could find her perfect guy. It's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men. Amen. It's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men. Amen. I feel stormy weather moving in, about to begin. Hear the thunder, don't you lose your head. Rip off the roof and stay in bed. Rip off the roof and stay in bed. God bless Mother Nature, she's a single woman too. She took off to heaven and she did what she had to do. She taught